Yo guys, welcome back to episode 32. I think it's episode 32 of the Trading Until I'm Profitable series. And from now on, I'm going to keep these videos very quick um, because there's really no need for me to be making the videos as long as they have been. The viewer time dies off literally after the first minute or so. Um, I understand that as well because these videos are just trade recaps anyway. All you guys really want to see is what's happening, what's up to date. You guys don't necessarily trade the same strategy as me, and it's not like loads of people are learning from me right now anyway. So that'll be more efficient for my time as well if I just keep these short, because dealing with large video files is definitely a pain. So we'll get straight into it. This is a mid-week recap. So it's currently Wednesday. Well, it's Thursday night now, but the trades are up until Wednesday. So I quickly run down. After last week, we were supposed to be 1.5% up on the challenge, but there was a trade that lost quite a bit of extra slippage. So we ended up being like 1.10 or 1.2% up, or even like 1.3. And then now we come into this week where we also lost some more from a trade that shouldn't have been a loss. And this is a trade right here. So I took 2 trades on USD JPY on Monday. I took 0 trades on Tuesday. There was no trades. There was nothing for me. And I took 1 trade today, which was a win. So what should have been so far this week, 1 break even, 1 loss, 1 win. And the break even would have been 0. The loss would have been minus 0.5%. And the win would have been plus 1%. So we're technically 0.5% up on the week. That's just what I'm going to count is what I should be up on the week, because when I'm actually trading with personal capital, that's how it will be. So I just keep track of those metrics so I know that's the statistics of my strategy. If I'm counting all the losses due to slippages and just poor kind of brokerages, then that's not really true to what my edge can actually provide, and it just keeps things more clear in my mind. But obviously when it comes to actually passing the challenge, we could have been up like 13% in a month or 2 months, but it won't be like that on the challenge because we lose a couple of extra percent just from things like that. So technically, this week we are up 0.5% and we are up one risk to reward. So on USD JPY, we swept this high. This was our high time frame range, and now during London session, I'm waiting for a shift down to trade retracements. And as you can see for both these trades, my bias was right. We just got unfortunate with the timing, and it would have been better if we stuck to the extreme POI, because if we stuck to the extreme POI and we traded on JBP JPY, that trade would have been a win. But at the time it was looking a lot better on USD JPY, and so we had a 5-minute change of character. So now I know order flow has shifted bearish. We came in, tapped into an extreme order block, and we had a 5-minute tap 1 and a 1-minute shift, and then upon that retracement into it, that's where I put my entry, and it came down, and as you can see, it actually hit the TP, but it didn't hit it on the prop firm, just because of spreads. So obviously it always needs to go a bit below for the trade to actually register. And then price came back up, and we had another very good 1-minute shift here. So it came back up, took us out at break even, and it had another good 1-minute shift here. And then I took another trade because this is a perfect shift to me. It's a 5-minute type 1-minute change of character, strong displacement. So I thought I would take it, but it ended up being an L. So then I was just we'll leave it for that day. 1 break even, 1 L. And although this was a break even, it lost $50. So because it was a small trade, 3.5 pips, it had a $30 fee, and then it lost $20 because of I asked the support and they just waffled. But yeah, it is what it is. So this trade lost about $50 even though it was supposed to be break even, and this trade lost the correct amount, so that's good. So now after Monday, we are 0.5% down. And we come into Tuesday on JVJVY. And there was nothing really. Price just made this. Where's Tuesday? Yeah, so Tuesday during London, price. Where's Tuesday? Tuesday London starts here. And as you can see, we're going up, but we're also just like in this range. So price action on Tuesday wasn't great. There was nothing really clear to me. Yeah, there was nothing that aligned with any high time frame range of mine. So yeah, we skipped Tuesday, so that's good. Good patience. And we come into today where price action was very good. I don't know why I have this trade up. I didn't take this. I didn't forward test this. I just drew this up. This is not a valid trade in my strategy because we already swept the discount. So today we took this trade, which was the winner. There was a trade after it that was also a winner that I would have taken, but I was at training, unfortunately. And this trade is a basic retracement trade as well. We have our 4-hour higher time frame change of character here. We're trading retracements into the discount reversal range and ideally the internal range liquidity before we start looking for continuations. So price was very, very good today. Price action was very good. We have just perfect trending order flow. And I saw that. I took the chance to capitalize on that and we ended up off on a winning day. So we have 5-minute breaker structure here. 5-minute fake breaker structure here. Sweep of the fake breaker structure inducement. And then a perfect 5-minute type 2 shift. It was a very good shift there. It was a large displacement. And we entered on the retracement, held at the mid time frame high, took a TP there. Same thing happened in the next trade, but we were at training. So overall, a good day and a good week so far. So there's nothing really else to talk about. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys next time.